The newly introduced Smart 4 from Infinix, a successor to the recent Smart 3. It's more like a culture for Infinix Mobile to always introduce two devices in every segment, probably to stay up to the competition and stay alive in the market segment. What's up guys, Kelechi here, and this is my unboxing and review of the new Infinix Smart 4. So before I continue, please kindly hit on that subscribe button to join this family and do well to turn the post notification on so you'll get to watch every video coming next. The Infinix Smart 4 is a low-end budget phone with less impressions and feel. It is the least offer from the brand with little attraction, an entry-level device for those on tight budget, or if you prefer, it's a backup phone, or maybe you're needing a phone that can give you easy access to social media occasionally or as a gift. At 29,000 naira, it's a phone for every class. The design and build is price-worthy. Made entirely out of plastic with little premium finish, Infinix made this phone with love. It's beautiful and complimenting, so if you feel totally different about it, increase your wallet and step up to its premium siblings. Out of the box, you have the phone with the basic specs labeled on it: a micro USB charging cable, a 5V charger adapter, an earpiece, a screen protector film, a transparent hard plastic case with Infinix signatures, customer service card, user manual, X Club leaflet, and a Google Assistant card. On the right side of the phone is the power button, a Google Assistant key, and the volume rocker keys. At the bottom is a micro USB charging port, headphone jack, and a microphone. At the back is a single camera setup with dual flash, the fingerprint scanner, Infinix branding, and the speaker grill. It houses a 6.0-inch HD Plus display, 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, and aspect ratio of 20:9 with 266 pixels per inch density, having noticeable chin at the top and bottom. It has a good display for watching YouTube videos and your favorite shows or movie. The viewing angles are just perfect for consuming media content. It is not so bright, but it's good. So if you're looking for a mobile TV that fits right in your pocket and in your hand, it is the Infinix Smart 4. This phone can be smart for media content. For the performance, it's really heartbreaking. I was hoping a 2GB RAM here despite the processor to be able to stand up to the Samsung A20s. It comes with a 1GB RAM, Helio A22 quad-core processor that is available on the Infinix Hot 8 and TECNO Spark 4. It is the best CPU for low budget segment and usually requires a good RAM size. Amongst the low budget devices of 2019, the Infinix Smart 4 is the only 1GB RAM device. 16GB of internal storage, 4000 mAh battery capacity, Android 9 Pie with XOS 5.5 Custom Skin Go edition. Don't expect to have a good performance with this one. This phone is not in any way close to being a gaming phone. But if you're so keen on gaming, consider Temple Run or Candy Crush. Multitasking struggles a bit when you have 4 or more heavy background apps running. The 4000 mAh battery is good and lasted long. It takes almost about 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100% fully charged. This phone's camera is 8 megapixels for the rear and 5 megapixel selfie shooter. The camera to some point isn't so bad, but it shouldn't be your drive towards getting this phone. So if you're camera driven when it comes to choosing a smartphone, just turn the other way. The images do very well on a bright and clear environment. See what it looks like and let me know what you think in the comment section. The whole point is not to chew off the phone, but it's highly not recommendable. At this price point of 29,000, the Itel S15 does better and stands tall over the Smart 4. Except if you're looking out for a backup phone or a media consuming device. You can also pick this one as a back to school gadget. The battery power is good, but 1GB of RAM is clearly unacceptable. Considering the updates in Android apps, it will definitely lag behind at some point. So that's it guys on the Infinix Smart 4. Share your thoughts with me on the comment section. Like and share this video to help one make a purchase decision. And please consider subscribing to my channel for more good content. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.